There he is. On the one. Let's go. Get in here, boy. Oh, God.
Up the list, little guy on the bandito bug, but little guy on the mountain worm, not bad at all.
Should be ready to go. Oh, my gosh. She just soaked me. You son of a gun.
Well, what's up guys, what's going on, and welcome back to another video. So we are starting this one off at the pond, beautiful pond behind me. As you guys just saw, you guys know this place, we come here all the time. It is currently 8:15 in the morning. Now, today's video, as you can tell by the title, we got two things going on. First of all, we're gonna be attempting a Googan bait slam. So what that means is I have a bunch of Googan baits here, and I think I have like 6 or 7 different types. I don't know, I just have a ton of Googan baits, and what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to catch a fish on every single one. I don't know if I will, because there are a lot. I think I have like anywhere from 6 to 7 to 8 like packs of Googan baits, and these are all different style of baits. So it will be really interesting to see if I can catch a fish on every single one. So that will be a challenge. It's gonna be really hard, but we're gonna attempt it. Also, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a giveaway in today's video. That giveaway I'll be telling you guys later in the video, so stay tuned for that. Sorry about that, but you gotta stay tuned. I do want to say this video is sponsored by Catchco and Carl's Bait and Tackle. Carl's Bait and Tackle is pretty much a website, and it's actually where I buy all my baits. And if you guys want to get name brand products, like for example, if you want to get products like Googan baits and Googan Squad, you know, the Googan Squad baits and Biospawn and Catchco and all that stuff, you want to get that stuff 20 to 30% off, as well as so many other name brands. Click the link down in my description below and sign up. The beauty about this is, like I said, you get so many baits that are 20 to 30% off, and you get free shipping every time you buy anything. Free shipping, no matter if it's one thing or if it's 10 things, it's awesome. So it's the only website I use now to buy my lures, and I love the free shipping, man, and everything's cheaper. It's great. All you gotta do is sign up down below by clicking the link. But without further ado, we're gonna break into the video. We're gonna get this little jam boat right here. We're gonna flip it over. We're gonna rig it up. We're gonna take a crack at this beautiful pond behind us, and it's looking great outside. We got clouds. It's like 70-something degrees. It is a beautiful morning here in the suburbs of Chicago. We're gonna try to catch some fish, but if you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. We're like 10,100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your recent love and support, and without further ado, let's go fishing.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy. There he is. Fishy feels kind of good. On the crack and crawl. Right when I said here, actually that's okay. Right when I said here's fishy, here, fishy, 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 and then all of a sudden my line just started going to the right. Not a bad one. On the crack and crawl. Nice. Casting this bank right here, swimming it in slowly on the Texas rig, and she's gonna come right in. She's gonna cooperate with us. Let's go. Fish number 1 on the day. Probably short of 2 pounds, maybe just a quick 2-pounder, but he swallowed. Actually, he didn't even swallow. I don't know why I'm saying that, but the hook's pretty far down there, so looks like he did eat that pretty well, and we got her good. This right here is the first fish of the day on the crack and crawl, right down our little gut there. Not a bad one to start the morning. As bait number 1 crossed off the list. Not a bad bass, and we're gonna put her back. She should be ready to go. Oh my gosh, she just soaked me. You son of a gun. Soaked the camera, soaked me, so I gotta dry everything. But that is fish number 1. Let's catch some more. That fish honestly soaked me. For being such a small fish, that thing soaked the crap out of my arm and my camera. He's trying to break my equipment. I guess we're gonna hit this bank because we just got pushed into it by the wind. So let's do it. Number 2, we got the old Bandito's bug. Same thing on the Texas rig with a 3/8 ounce weight. I wanna keep this simple. I'm gonna Texas rig the craw, Texas rig the bug, and try to Texas rig as many things as I can, just so we don't have to keep, like, you know, untying and retying, because I could use this as like a jig trailer. But it's easier to do it like this. And there's one right off the rip. Are you kidding me? Right on that bank. Stay down. Oh, that jump. Are you kidding me? Look at this little fish is just taking us for a ride. Oh my gosh, that was sick, dude. That fish jumped, like, no joke, like 2 feet in the air. He's got a lot of energy left. A lot of fight in this guy, my gosh. That was the first cast of the Bandito bug, giving it a little dangle there. And we'll see if we can get him in, but that's a beautiful fish, man. Just to see that thing swim around. Oh, the bug is the drug. The bug gets the tug. And we're gonna bring her up here. A little bit bigger than the first one. And she's got some grass on her too. She came with some grass. Boom, there she is with a little bit of grass in her mouth and the Bandito bug, of course. First cast with it. And that is bait number 2 crossed off the list.
Bait number 2, crossed off the list, little guy on the bandito bug. But I'm telling you guys, a reason why I like to throw it on a Texas rig with a 3/8 ounce weight. It's not that heavy of a weight because this pond, I don't know, it averages like 5 to 6 feet deep around this area where I'm tossing it. And I want that bait to be falling super slow. Where's my bandito bug? I want this thing to be falling super slow in the water. And that 3/8 ounce weight allows that to do that because then these appendages on the back, when it's falling slowly in the water column, those are just flapping the whole time, just teasing the bass and little guy. But nonetheless, that's fish number 2 of the Googan bait slam. We got plenty more baits to cross off, and we're gonna move on to the next one. There she goes. Boom, let's go. Because I caught most of my fish so far this morning on the Texas rig, we're gonna be giving away a pack of, let me just pull them out real quick. And obviously I won't be giving you this pack, I'll be buying you some on Carl's Bait and Tackle and shipping it directly to your house. We're gonna be giving away 1 pack of trench hogs, 1 pack of Kraken craws, and 1 pack of bandito bugs, and here are the rules to enter. First, you gotta hit that subscribe button down below. That is step number 1. Number 2, you gotta comment anything on the video, good or bad. Hopefully it's good. And also leave any sort of your, you gotta leave your social media handle, you know, whether that be Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, I guess wherever I can reach you if you win, you gotta leave that down below. This giveaway is gonna last 1 week, so like I said, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button down below. First of all, comment down below, leave your social media handles, and that's all you got to do to be entered. Just subscribe and comment, leave your social media, and you can win 3 of those packs. I'm going to announce the winner in 1 week from today's upload. I will upload the date right here when I will announce a winner. And now that the camera lens is clean, we're going to get back to fishing and try to catch some more fish and complete the Googan bait slam.
Oh, I got one. I have one. I did not expect that. I just saw my line moving for a second, and I did not think I had a fish. This is the tiniest of the day. We got the personal worst, I guess you can say. We're just gonna hoist her in. Yeah! Trench hog fish, baby. Fish number 3. If I can grip them here. Fish number 3 of the challenge right there. That was, I really set up the big camera to get a really cool hook set, and that was like the worst hook set of my life. So that's kind of disappointing, but nonetheless, fish number 3 on the trench hog, baby. Let's go. Texas rig right in the top of the mountain. That's a super cool picture, and we're gonna take advantage of that. Right back. She's off swimming. Let's catch some more. Oh, my cast. Oh God, dude, he smoked it. What the heck? Oh my God, dude. I think my drag slipped and he smoked it, dude, and just started screaming with it. Well, that's not a bad fish either, baby. It's not huge, but it's not bad. It's not a bad fish. We might have to weigh this one, maybe. I know it looks bigger right now because it's in the water. All right, not a bad one, boys. And the lunker log's gone. So I think he smacked it, it came off. But that right there is a fish on the lunker log. Oops. Let me say that, let me repeat that. There's a bass on a lunker log. I thought it was way bigger than it was, but the thing is, I was just reeling it in, and all of a sudden my drag started going. I think my drag might be really loose on that rod. I'm not sure. I might have accidentally loosened it. I'll have to check that, but not a bad fish at all. So I guess I'm gonna show you guys just this one on the chesty. I think my big camera's really blurry right now. I gotta fix that. I'm not sure how long. I think the water got in and it got really messed up. So we're gonna put this guy back. We're just gonna ease her down over here. There he is, got him. Let's go, let's go. I thought I saw a flash or something. Oh, just a little guy, let's go. Rattling Ned, crossed off the list. I was pitching that right there under this tree right here, and I thought I saw a flash of something go down to it. And yes, I did, I was correct. It was a little guy. Okay, hold on. This little guy wanted it, and put it back. Boom, all right, bait number 5, gone. I think we're gonna move on to the mondo worm and stay back in this area. It seems like there might be a couple fish back here, and now we're back in the trees, so I gotta get out of here. So let's do that first. Oh my gosh, was that a good cast? There he is on the mondo worm. Let's go, get in here, boy. I casted that right underneath the branch. Didn't even mean to do that. First fish on with the mondo worm, first time using it, and just a little guy hit it. So kind of surprised. But the bait works, obviously, and let's see if we can get her in there, tie her out a little bit. Let's go! Look at that. You think she wanted that mondo worm? Right in the top of her mouth, man. Do not be scared to throw big baits like that, like a 10-inch bait like that, because every fish will hit that, dude. That's awesome. Let's go. Mondo worm right in the top of the mouth. I'll try to get her out here. There she is on the mondo worm, and she is bleeding a little bit, so I'm going to put her back. But
Little guy on the mondo worm, not bad at all. I'm gonna put her back right here. She was starting, oh gosh. She kicked right off. So, camera just took a little fall there, probably has a concussion, but that is bait number 6, crossed off the list. Let me see what we have left. I'm not too sure. I think we have 1 or 2 more, but we are flying through this right now. Try to get 2 more. Hopefully we can pull a big one out back here, because that'd be great. But nonetheless, we're catching fish. Hopefully you guys are enjoying today's video, and yeah, let's dangle, let's catch a fish. Here we got the Slim Shake. It actually looks really good because you can also hop this off the bottom and swim it in if you need it. And we have a weekly report. Okay. We're at the perfect spot for all this. Let that sink to the bottom right there. I'm just gonna hop it off the bottom, and then it should fall a little slower. There's one. Got him. Got him. Oh, little guy. Little guy. Why are these guys so little back here? These should be the bigger ones, man. We're gonna horse this one in, and we're gonna, hold on. Now he's fighting, but little guy, little fish. So now the Slim Shake worm first drop, and I'm fishing this little, oh shoot. Fishing this little bank right here, we got a bunch of cover, and so bass will be hiding underneath that in the summertime, and there's a little drop off there. So this just fell, hit the rocks, I twitched it once, so it bounced up, and this guy was just sitting there to smoke it. So not a big one, not the size we're looking for, but nonetheless, there's another fish, and we're just walking him around now because he's still not tired. So, all right, and let's get him in. Boom, baby. And right here, we have fish number 7 on the Slim Shake worm, which slid all the way up my line here. But like I said, little Texas rig, you can always do that. I prefer it on a shaky head, but still works on the Texas rig. We're gonna toss her back because it's a little guy. And we got one more bait to cross off the fish on, that being the drag and drop. So we're gonna rig this up probably on the Ned rig or the Texas rig. It'd probably work on both, but I'll probably do Ned rig and we'll see what happens. Hopefully we get bit, and we got one more, and then we complete the challenge. Let's go, boys. This is so exciting. And hopefully we can end it on a big one, not a dink like that, but we'll see, we'll see. Got a little, the shoreline kind of comes out, and there's like weeds on the bottom over there. I'm gonna try to hop it above all that. See if I can't just hop it above the weeds and get one to bite like that. There he is. Got him. Got him. Let's go. Let's go. Get him in here. Not a big one. Jeez, what's with all the dinks coming out today? Last time I didn't even catch a fish this small, and today I've caught like 3 this small. Let's go though. If we get him in, this is the last fish on the drag and drop on the Ned rig, and let's go. Are we gonna complete the slam? Are we gonna complete the slam? And the slam is completed. Let's go, baby. Let's go, and it's only so early in the morning. Let's go, baby. Slam is completed, boys. Might toss this around for a little bit longer, but nonetheless, we completed the slam. That's a fish on every single Googan bait we had. I believe that was 7 or 8. Kind of lost track at 4, but I'm not too sure. And look at this mess we got going down here. We're gonna give this a few more casts, though. I want to catch a little bit bigger one on it if we can try. And slam is completed, though, so that's hype. But there might be another one at that spot. Hopefully a bit bigger, too. What's going on with these small fish coming out today? Well, guys, that is gonna wrap it up for today's video, and I wanna thank you guys specifically so much for tuning in today's video and watching the video today. That made no sense, I just repeated the same thing. Anyways, guys, look at this mess we got here, because every time I caught one, I just left the bait out and the package, so we got a whole mess here of a bunch of Googan baits. We crossed off, I think, 7 or 8 Googan baits today, which is awesome. Didn't know if I would, but it looks like the bite is on, and I think I might stay out here and film another video, just because it's so early in the morning. I did not expect to catch as many fish as I did. But thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. Good luck on the giveaway, and like I said, if you guys want to cop some baits, 20 to 30% off, get free shipping all the time. Click that link down below for Carl's and sign up. Without further ado, I will sign you guys out now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.